What's up again, Sunny Seekers? Welcome back to our Cruise in the Med series. Today we're going to be covering Monte Carlo. But real quick, we wanted to cover Pisa in this episode as well. Unfortunately, just didn't get a whole lot of footage there.
Yeah.
We got the Leaning Tower, of course. Got the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and Kelsey made sure that we got that. About 50 takes of it. We're not gonna see all 50 takes, but. We actually went into the cathedral there as well. We got some pretty cool footage of that. But then, so we got to Monte Carlo, which was really like kind of a surprise, like enjoyable location.
Monte Carlo, I really feel like was regal and royal and fairy tale like.
Great city also for like casinos and like, I feel like you see it in the James Bond movies a lot. It's kind of this glamorous place, but we actually didn't really plan for anything there. But next time we most definitely will, if we ever get the privilege of going there again. We actually decided to take a stroll along the coastline and along the cliffs there. The gardens were beautiful.
There were these just absolutely gorgeous pathways and corridors that were just covered in luscious greenery and flowers, and it was basically bordering the entire coastline.
And then we actually did make it over to the palace.
The palace is like a peppy, regal, I don't know, it just felt like something out of Disney.
We got to experience the changing of the guard there, which was pretty neat.
That was magical.
another really cool cathedral as well, and it was really beautiful in there.
Little bay area where there was like a bunch of sailboats, and that was really pretty. But they had like a bunch of like little carnivals set up too.
I wanna see some of the casinos there. I was really impressed. Like I heard how cool it was, and you know I of course you do so much on some of these trips and you just can't fit everything in. And you know, we had to make some sacrifices. Like the aquarium looked really cool too. Yeah. That we walked past.
There was a really fancy schmancy aquarium.
We were charmed, and we look forward to, Lord willing, experience the elegance of it again someday. That's Monte Carlo, folks. That was our experience there, at the very least. And next time on Sunny Seekers will be our last Cruise in the Med episode. In Paris. What a way to end it. What a way to end it. We spent 2 days in Paris. We got off of the cruise boat. It was the end of that. And we took a plane to Paris, and we spent 2 days there. 2 rainy days in Paris. It was beautiful.
But it was just so, it was like everything you could ever, it was everything I could ever dream of for Paris.
Yeah, so make sure to tune in for that one. And we will see you next time, Sunny Seekers.